The tech world holds its breath. Anticipation runs high. The iPhone 19 Pro is on the horizon, promising a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Apple, known for its relentless pursuit of innovation, is poised to redefine the smartphone experience once again. Leaks and rumors have only fueled the excitement, hinting at groundbreaking features that will captivate users worldwide. The iPhone 19 Pro is not just another iteration, it is a paradigm shift, a testament to Apple's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The iPhone 19 Pro is not merely an upgrade, it is a statement. It is a statement of Apple's dedication to elegant design, cutting-edge technology, and an unparalleled user experience. This is not just a phone. It is a gateway to a world of seamless connectivity, limitless possibilities, and a future where technology empowers and inspires. The iPhone 19 Pro boasts a revolutionary under-display camera, a feat of engineering that eliminates the notch and maximizes screen real estate. Imagine a truly immersive viewing experience, unobstructed by bezels or cutouts. This technological marvel is achieved by embedding the front-facing camera beneath the display, rendering it virtually invisible to the naked eye. But the innovations don't stop there. The iPhone 19 Pro takes mobile photography to new heights with its enhanced zoom capabilities. A redesigned telephoto lens system, coupled with advanced computational photography algorithms, allows for unprecedented optical zoom. Capture distant subjects with incredible clarity and detail, previously unattainable on a smartphone camera. The iPhone 19 Pro seamlessly integrates within the Apple ecosystem, creating a cohesive and intuitive user experience. Effortlessly transition between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac thanks to Apple's continuity features. Start a task on one device and seamlessly pick it up on another without missing a beat. The iPhone 19 Pro is not just a standalone device. It is a hub that connects you to a world of possibilities. Experience the convenience of Apple Pay, a secure and effortless way to make payments both online and in stores. The iPhone 19 Pro utilizes advanced facial recognition technology to ensure that your transactions are safe and secure. Apple's commitment to privacy extends to all aspects of the iPhone 19 Pro, ensuring that your data is always protected. Section 4. Privacy and Security, the Cornerstones of Trust. In an age of increasing digital threats, Apple understands that privacy and security are paramount. The iPhone 19 Pro is built with these principles at its core. Apple's industry-leading security measures, including Face ID and on-device processing, ensure that your personal information remains just that, personal. Your data is encrypted and protected, giving you peace of mind in a connected world. Apple's commitment to privacy extends beyond just hardware and software. It is deeply ingrained in the company's philosophy. Apple does not sell your data to third parties, and it gives you granular control over how your information is used. With the iPhone 19 Pro, you are not just a user, you are in control. Section 5. Shaping the future of mobile technology. The iPhone 19 Pro is not just a smartphone. It is a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. It is a testament to Apple's relentless pursuit of innovation, its unwavering commitment to user experience, and its deep respect for privacy and security. With its groundbreaking features, seamless integration, and unwavering focus on the user, the iPhone 19 Pro is poised to redefine the way we live, work, and connect with the world around us. As we look ahead, the impact of the iPhone 19 Pro on the future of smartphones is undeniable. It sets a new benchmark for innovation, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. The iPhone 19 Pro is more than just a device. It is a catalyst for change, a symbol of progress, and a testament to the power of technology to empower and inspire.